I take it the bat costume was yours?
You believe me?
I did some digging around, and I think you're onto something.
About your memories fraying?
How do you know that?
A hunch. If I can get a look at what makes up your world and your dust, I might be able to figure out what's going on. That's what I was trying to do at the party.
Yes. Stealing the keys to the lab. There are easier ways to break in, you know.
Or out. I was waiting for you. I had a feeling you'd want answers too.